Well, here we are, Juneteenth, and our first named storm of the Atlantic hurricane season. Alberto officially designated a tropical storm with the 11 a.m. update from the National Hurricane Center. Let's take a closer look at this. This has been showing now some more convection near the center of circulation. It's still more or less rain with a name. I was talking to Tim Panday just a little earlier. He goes, you know, this thing really isn't going to do that much. It's not like it's expected to become super intense, but it is going to be a big rainmaker. And that rain that comes into the Mexican coast is going to set up some problems. Same thing for South Texas, potentially. We'll take a look at the latest on this. Still winds of 40, gusting to 50 miles per hour. That's been the case for the last day or so. We've seen some of those sustained winds, but it hasn't really been very well organized. We haven't seen a lot of convection near the center of this thing. It's kind of been just kind of scattered about in kind of a broader circulation. Now we're seeing more convection near the center. It's starting to get better organized. It now looks like a tropical system. It was potential tropical cyclone number 1. It's now Tropical Storm Alberto, and it is moving west at 9 miles per hour. Before it was west-northwest. Now it's tracking due west. It's forecast to make a run towards the Mexican coast. It's going to bring rain and some wind, a little bit of storm surge, and some rough wave action as well. So maybe a little bit of beach erosion for the Mexican coast. As you look off to the north, the question is how far north will that rain, that heavier rain, spread? Right now, it's looking like the Harlingen area could see 4 to 6 inches. The heavier amounts of rain are really focused a little farther to the south, and there's still going to be concern for this tropical rain to really rain out over the mountains. And there is always concern with flash flooding and potential mudslides or landslides in some of that higher elevation back down across Mexico. So we're going to be watching that area as well. Along the Mexican coastline, you can see from San Fernando on southward, we do have the potential for over half an inch or half a foot of rain, 6 to 9 inches. Again, lighter amounts, Corpus Christi and Harlingen, maybe 4 to 6 inches or so. Again, flooding is going to be likely across parts of Mexico. There could be some storm surge, some large swells, and those wind gusts up around 50 miles per hour. Now, aside from Alberto, we're still watching a very, I guess, unimpressive area back out well east of the Bahamas. There's only a 20% chance for development. This is nothing that is looking organized at all right now, and just a low risk of development. But because it is expected to drift towards the southeast U.S., we'll keep, of course, keep a close eye to that. And then just in the same area where we have now Alberto, and Alberto is going to make that landfall sometime, most likely early Thursday, we're going to see potentially later in the weekend, there's a 30% chance there could be another system that forms in the Gulf. So plenty for us to watch and keep you updated on, and that's what we'll be doing for you here at 13 News Now.